Welcome, my followers. Do you know Word can show you all 8 keyboard shortcuts? Let me show you where to find them with just a line of command. Follow me on TikTok and I'll show you more tricks. Let's go. Welcome to Agutech, where we make learning easier. Okay, to display all the hidden shortcut command in MS Word, when your Word is open like this, you see the view here, the menu here, view. Click on it. You see macros, this section. Click on it. You see view macros. Click on view macros. When this window open, where the cursor is blinking, just type list commands. You can type it in uppercase, it will come. Then after this, you click on run. When this option come, don't check all Word command. Select the first one, leave it at the first one, current keyboard settings, then click OK. Boom. Then all the shortcuts will come. You see, these are all the shortcuts. Times 2, you can bring the developer tab. You see the developer tab, so that you can take all the macro commands from that side. So to add the developer tab to your menu here, you click on File, More, you see Options, select Option, then you see Customize Ribbon. Click on this one. You see the developer is not checked, so make sure it is checked. Then you click OK. Then you see it here. It will come up here. So when you click on it, you can see the macros here. And then click on macro and then type it as well. So once we have it there, so you can also get it from the developer tab here, or you use the view and then you go to macros. So this is how you bring the hidden shortcut command in MS Word. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more tips.